Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into Mobox on PC. Mobox is a blockchain-based play-to-earn gaming platform that combines DeFi and NFTs instead of traditional accounts with emails and password. Mobox uses crypto wallets as login credentials. This ensures security, decentralization and ownership of the game's assets, meaning you always control your NFT tokens and rewards. Logging into PC is simple once you'll understand the wallet-based system. Let's walk through it. First, open any of the browser, Chrome, Edge or the Firefox recommended, and in the top there's an address bar. Simply type down mobox.io and enter it. After that, Mobox does not use the usernames or the password on the home page. Find to the connect wallet button in the top right over here. Over here, what you can do is you need to choose for your wallet to connect here, and you can choose your MetaMask, Coinbase, Trust Wallet, Binance, and Token Pocket, and select the wallet that you already have it, and your wallet will pop up a confirmation request. Check the details and approve the connection, and that is it. You are set to remain in your wallet. Mobox only reads your balance. You always control the crypto. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below, and we will reach out to you very soon.